couple of Auckland alright. Tabor Harms na Roma was the Malakia land trifle Bini of Worstwas near Marbleta Funlight Journal here Gador Scraban Shula Junction for Shiska Jean Norfolk Donna McGinnell Bishop Hontam Wire Fadland Dini Hanikama Agus a rare Monagaka Sahalanchen Bishal Land Gajin Daris La Dini Tanner the Shockers the Harry so you're not on you had the rest of that type of thing you know Scott Law Why Jalna was it Harrow but just got Ikes we're gonna share this rash but it's more to right person was when it's was clients was it I was for it so beyond the Maya was the mayor had in his Western lesson but I can't what he said was it I guess Mohan Shah came it right now the end but the hand and like you look at the heart was I guess but the room
When started my job when started the campus shots list at the master's shop the Bolliclia to Kevin I guess Peter was one as cheerful away the Agagianu was the Gaoth and yet the canny show the Kanaha tea I guess the Kanaha over Shakcha it's the Kanaha Ashkin the fact is that has been the cheer pasta which Vini is a Kuramadship Vini the Gaga Janidam the Kiriha the Taru has been the cheer I guess the Scafta Moy who has been a man rich grosses the Mila Banyanshan Alla has been come a grow what is small I guess Jaden Beja grow 3 wheel on his motion now we possibly carriage a Leaca as part of the cheer like being each and we constantly with the Gaoth the Scottish New LA the Joe Higgins and Shin the Richard Boyd Barrett the catch the Colliery Conley I guess
Cordelia needs
as Calamara I guess the Speartrum is Mayo Vini we with the Generagaja I guess we were more I guess we were higher in the benchen I guess the slogan Mabin Agajala Mabin Lerson or Mojo Crew give me what is more Vini is the counter shop I guess give me what is more as a tour a time or the Crew Leonard me has that the Coronu Let's the Kiriha Shaw. I guess the kind of has a yaru, or what's in the cheetah, or grab what's it, or cost what's in the cheetah. She'll go more, he'll more, and Molecule, and Leo left be hit. Yes, I thought he go on. As I can let your cannon or the cattle left be hit. I guess Jaden got my Virginia Chaw East, and the mean sugar. I guess past the Sakaki or jail with washing the Shamag. But you couldn't get no big floater in Shaw or Wild Patrick. That's the look I guess somebody couldn't come for compilation in Come on.
A lot of people out there that don't like to be seen out in public protesting because they're just don't probably have the confidence to do it. So we just have to take that into consideration, you know. And about last night over in Cropfalla, there was a huge turnout. The hall was packed out, and there was a few people there from the Dunfanaghy Creasla as well, speaking and giving advice, as the man says. And Owen Curran there made a brilliant speech altogether. And we have to thank Fr Brian Ó Fhearraigh for the stance that he has taken. recently on Highland Radio, and I was listening to them on Radio in Gaeilge as well. Right, thanks.
Because we're getting nearer and nearer the deadline, and just to sort of reiterate and say, but you know, it's estimated that up to 1.8 householders are due to pay this tax. The aim of the campaign statewide is to get a critical mass of around 1 million or more to hold off, not register, and not pay before St. Patrick's Day. A rally will be held on 24th of March. That's still a week before the deadline to test the strength of the campaign. If the numbers are there, this tax is going to be very hard to impose. With those numbers, it would be totally unpredictable. We wouldn't do it in 15 years. So while there's fear out there and there's people concerned, we also need to have courage, and we need to put it up to this government, and because we need to tell the elites in this country we're not taking it anymore. Enough is enough. It's over the meeting last night. Before I get back, actually, I must mention a dream that I had. I dreamt for some reason that the great folk singer Woody Guthrie was singing his brilliant song, "This land is my land, this land is your land." And he was pointing to the Gaeilge and Muckish when he talked about the Northern Highlands and away out to the Highlands. But for some, I think it was down on a promotional DVD for Donegal or something. But for some strange reason, the dream changed, and then this is what happened. Yes, the dream changed and Woody Guthrie became a rapper, believe it or not. And this is what he said. Unemployment, emigration, successive governments have wrecked this nation. Labour Party, you're a disgrace. There's hardly a worker about the place. Big Phil Hogan, bad news for you. Your government shy-eyed plans have gone down the loo. For Gaeilge galore, I ain't your man, but Jimmy Hart is through on Ramadan.
Well, they're meeting next Sunday down in Dunfanaghy, the 11th of March at 3 o'clock in the square, and everybody's welcome to that. We hope to get a good turnout now for down there, as there are a lot of people about at the moment, visitors and stuff, and it's very important as well that the visitors find out as well what's going on locally, as well as in their own area, so they can go back to their own town centre and report what's going on in Yard, Dunfanaghy, elsewhere. Thank Fr Brian as well for taking the stand yesterday in Highland Radio, that there are a lot of people from Dunfanaghy very much behind him on it, because I've spoken about yesterday in the shop and elsewhere.